Hello everyone, my name is Shorty Srivastav and you are watching Shorty School. Previously, I uploaded my first part of the tutorial of Python and how to do it. And I was working on this Lucky Friend Wheel app. I showed you everything and explained it to you too. So now I will continue the explanation. Yeah, so I was here, list1.append, and I was saying that what does append mean? So basically, append means that to add something at the end of that the given thing. So here list1 is given, so we will add at the end, which basically means like if there is one name in the list like Vibhash, then if we write another write another name and click the button, we write the name Vivan and then click the button, Vivan will be added after Vibhash, and if there is nothing, it will still be added after the nothing, means the first name. So you understand, friend? This name is friend name underscore name, we will get from the enter name input. So then I hope you are clear till here. Now friend list text equal to friend list is then colon, that is 2 dots, and plus str list1. So let me explain this. It's a bit complicated, but means not complicated. You could not say it complicated, but a bit hard. But yeah, you will practice. If you practice, you will understand it. So see, now this friend list. What is friend list? This is a label, and text. This is a square bracket. Inside that, it gives single quotation and write text, and then equals to. Outside the text, this square bracket equals to, then double quotation, inside that your friend list is colon, which is the 2 dots. So it is like this, let me show you. Like now I'm writing 2 names, like 3 names here. So you can see your friend list is, then this is coming. This square bracket is coming because it is a list, and list is always written in a square bracket. You can see over here this list is empty over here, but in a square bracket. Then we will give space, or else if we don't give space, I will show you how it appears. Wait a second. So this is it, and Vibhash. So you see there is no space between this colon and this square bracket. So giving a space will make it a bit clean and easy to understand. But yeah, you cannot give space, that is also fine. It depends on you. And this is after giving the space. Now str. Yeah, don't forget to write this plus symbol. See what happens if you don't write the plus symbol. This error comes. This is invalid syntax, because the plus, if you don't write the plus this symbol, it thinks that your friend list, which is inside colon and str list1, is the same, but it is not inside colon, so it is a different thing. So if you add plus, it gets added to it. So now str's full form is string. It is, wait a minute. Yes, it is str equals to string. I will use text from the next time. String. Str is string. So let me explain you some more things. That what have we learned till now? That str equals to string, right? We have learned this. And def, wait a minute, def, which is basically, wait a minute, def equals to definition or function, you can say, function. Then over here this is parenthesis, like that. And now we will go again back to our code. So over here we have completed this add friend list. Sorry. Yes. Now random number definition. Definition is function, and you add this parenthesis and this colon. Parent, and between these two there should not be a gap, I would prefer, and there should be space equal distance, Now length is again a variable. So length is a variable, and len is the short form of length. Again a new thing. That is len equals to length. Got it? Yes. So now length of list 1. So list 1 length is like, wait a minute, where is this? This list. Now if I have written Vihan, so see like this, so there will not be 3 in the list. See, if lucky friend 1 is coming, which is Vihan, because 0 is Vibhash, 1 is Vihan, and Soham is 3. Soham is 2. So I explained this before. So this is appearing like the list, random number of the list. So length of the list 1. So this is the length. Now there are 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1 and 2 are the length for now. If we add one more, there would be 3 also. Now we will write random number equals to random.random 0, length minus 1. So that is random number. This is random NO is NO, for number, but over here it is a variable. You can give any name to it. And then random.random, which is a function which gives the random number, and then 0 means starting from 0, then comma length minus 1. Because when we calculate it like 1, 2, 3, there are 3 total, but according to the list there are only 2, because it starts from 0, 1 and 2. So that is the reason length minus 1. Then random number label. What is random number label? You can see over here. This is a label. It's again we will write square bracket, then quotation, single quotation and text. The outside square bracket equal to str, which is string, random number string. Random number is this length 1, which length minus 1 means this one. So length is stored over here, you can see. Then it's random number stores these, and then random number label text is appearing as random number. So which is random number label? Let me circle it out. This is the random number label. Now Now the next line after random number label is generated random number. You can see there is no generated random number, so we are defining a variable over here. So random number, generated random number is list1 random number. Means the list1, which is this list storing the names of friends, is giving a random number value. Means it will choose anything, means any name from the list. Then it and that is why it is choosing Vihan. That is not that I have set it accordingly to choose my best friend. No, that is not the reason. Now see, wait a minute. See, it's Soham now. It's Vibhash now. Vihan, Soham, Vibhash. See, it's changing when you are clicking because it generates a random number. Now, over here, you can see it is lucky friend text. So what is lucky friend? Lucky friend, you see over here, is defined. It is a variable which is in form of a label. Name for a variable which shows a label. So lucky friends labels text. Again square bracket, then quotation and text. I am telling you again and again so that you remember. Then outside the square bracket you have a this equals to symbol. Then your lucky friend in double quotes, your lucky friend is. Then again there's space. You can see. And after lucky friend is plus again str, which is for string. Then generated random number in this parenthesis. So the string of generated random number. The generated random number stores list1. Random number means it will generate a random name from list1. List1 and random number stores this from this length, which is list1. So from list it can store any, means it can what is it called? Yeah, it can give any name in the lucky friend. So which is the lucky friend one? So till here you can see lucky friend. I will underline it. So your lucky friend is, sorry for this. This one, your lucky friend is Vihan. So till your lucky friend is, till over here, it is like I have given it, and after that this Vihan is generated from the random list, means random number from the list. So hope you understand till here. Now we will move to the btn. Means this everything is completed. Now we will create the button. So btn equals to button root. So over here, see capital I told you this is case sensitive. If you write b in small over in button, it won't work. So btn equals to button, then root text. In button, after button you can see there is parenthesis. Inside parenthesis there is root comma text equals to add to friend list, which is inside quotation, which will give the name the text to this button, add to friend list. Then comma command add friend. So command add friend is means locating this, that the function add friend is when you click this, that function will appear. So the remaining code, it's a bit only left. In the next video I will show you, which is after some time I am uploading. So thank you. Hope you learned. Keep on revising and learn coding with me. Goodbye and be connected for the next video.